Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out an absolute beast in the world of compact gaming systems, the G7 Ti Gaming Mini PC Barebone. This isn't your average mini PC. It's a powerful, customizable system designed for gamers, creators, and performance enthusiasts who want desktop-class power in a space-saving design. At the heart of this machine is the Intel Core i9-14900HX processor, featuring an incredible 24 cores and 32 threads. With this kind of processing power, you can expect lightning-fast performance for AAA gaming, streaming, and demanding workloads like video editing, 3D modeling, or even running virtual machines. Of course, a gaming PC wouldn't be complete without a strong GPU. The G7 Ti comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8 GB of GDDR6 memory. That means smooth gameplay at 1440p and even 4K, high frame rates with ray tracing enabled, and support for the latest DLSS 3.5 AI-enhanced graphics technology. This little box packs a serious punch. Since this is a barebone system, it doesn't come with RAM, SSD, or an operating system pre-installed. That's perfect for users who want the freedom to choose their own high-performance DDR5 memory, blazing fast PCIe SSDs, and install either Windows 11 Pro or a Linux distribution, depending on their needs. It's all about customization and future-proofing. Connectivity is another strong point. With HDMI 2.1 and USB 4, you can connect high refresh rate monitors and external devices with blazing speed. There are also 3 USB Type-A ports, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, ensuring top-tier wireless performance for gaming, streaming, and peripherals. And let's not forget the RGB LED lighting, adding that gamer aesthetic to your setup. The G7 Ti Gaming Mini PC Barebone is designed for enthusiasts who want control, power, and style all in a small form factor. If you're ready to build your own dream mini PC with cutting-edge components, this is the perfect starting point. Check out the Amazon link below to see all the details and start customizing your build today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews here on GadgetVerse.